If you're looking for an incredibly easy small business idea you can do from home without any previous experience or technical ability, you're in the right place. Now, I'm actually on my Facebook right here, and I actually posted an hour ago these two results that came in today and yesterday. Now, what I'm going to share with you is how you can literally have the same type of results if you're willing to follow a simple step-by-step process. You can see yesterday at the time of recording, it was Friday, June 28th, and I had a $900 payment come in. And you can see so far today, which is at the time of recording Saturday, I had a $900 payment come in as well. Now, the beautiful thing about these payments is these payments are coming in on total autopilot. You don't have to deal with any rejection. If you're introverted, you're not going to have to talk to people or get on the phone. These are leveraging the power of automation, as you'll see a little bit later in this video. Now, before I dive into more information, there's going to be a link directly below. All you have to do if you want to actually access this exact automated system and implement this side business, then you can go ahead and do that at your own leisure. But I want to share with you just some results of other people that are using this simple business so you can see that this small business is really possible for anyone. You can see Crystal right here, 17 hours ago, she said, I bought my mom a car for her birthday. Okay, so because of this business, because of the profits that she's been able to generate on autopilot, she was able to buy her mom a car. You can see Jenna right here, one of my good friends. She made $5,400 in just 24 hours. Okay, now she said a $900 ding came while out to dinner with kids. So she was with her kids and she actually had money coming in. You can see right here, Dana, okay? I'm flipping out over here. I've made $1,200 in 2 days. My first $900 sale came in yesterday, and I just got a notice from Stripe that I made another $300 sale, okay? You can see Catherine right here, OMG. I just made my first sale of $600, okay? So you can see the results are, overwhelming. Now, how exactly does this work? Well, we have a 2-hour workday. Okay, one thing most people love about this simple and easy small business idea is you only need 2 hours a day. So you could do this whenever you want before, you go to work, or maybe on a lunch break if you have a job, or maybe, before you put the kids to sleep, you can go ahead and do this 2 hours. Now, these are the 2-hour workday process. 30 minutes a day, what we recommend you do is just post free advertisements on high traffic websites. So these are websites with millions of visitors every single day. And actually inside of this business, if you do see an opportunity and you decide to get started at the link below, you'll get over 200 different high traffic websites. These are websites that are very highly visited, and you'll even get ad templates that you can use to start to post advertisements to start to get interest. Okay, the goal of this is, again, you're not going to have to get on the phone, you're not going to have to do any of the selling yourself. The system that's automated will do all the selling, telling, and following up for you. You're just getting leads. You're just generating interest and then sending those leads through the system. Also, an hour a day in that 2-hour workday is we recommend creating 1 to 3 pieces of content. Now, this can be on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok. Okay, we want to pick a social media platform because it's free. None of the marketing inside of this small business, it requires you to spend money, which is great, especially if you're doing a business because you want to generate more money, because maybe you don't have a lot right now. So you're just going to generate these 1 to 3 pieces of content. Now, this can be a video, this could be a text, a photo that you post on an Instagram story. And again, the goal of this content is to literally attract your ideal customers to you. Okay, you're not gonna have to send any cold DMs to people. You're not gonna have to bother your friends and family or recruit anyone. All we're doing is leveraging the power of attraction marketing this business, which, by the way, will give you 100% profit done for you, very valuable products that are digital marketing education, and you can actually resell those products as your own. And then 30 minutes a day, what you're going to do is just respond to, we call it call to action comments and emails. So basically, in your content and in these ads, at the end of it, you'll always include what's called a CTA, or a call to action. You're basically going to tell people, hey, if you want to learn more, be sure to comment info, or comment yes, or comment me below. And whenever people comment, you're just going to send them your link. Now, what is this link? The link is to your automated system. So I want to share with you an example. This is an example of what your website will look like Inside of the small business, you actually get a complete done for you website. So if you're not technical, you can go ahead and just use this website and start to get people going through it. And essentially, whenever you post those ads or content and someone asks you for more information, you're just going to send them the link that looks something like this. And when they put their email in, what happens is they will start getting followed up with automated emails that you don't even have to write yourself. You'll actually get about 13 different high converting email messages that will start following up with your leads, following up with these people that put their email in for you, even while you're out with your friends and family and even while you're sleeping. Okay, this is like an example right here. And by the way, this automated system is actually free. So it's a free automated system you'll actually get access to when you actually partner with this business. So you can see all these right here. These are the emails. This is a test account. But you can see these emails. Typically, they're about one a day. So one per day will start following up with your leads. And whenever someone buys the product that's going to be inside of the emails, you get 100% profit. Okay, so this is going to be what it looks like. 3 simple steps to daily pay. So again, step number 1 is you're going to post ads and post 3 pieces of content on social media. Okay. When you post, people are going to ask you for more information. Okay. Now, when they do, you're just going to send them the link to what's called a capture page. Okay. This is just going to capture their email. And when you send them the link, the automated system will follow up and convert your leads into sales. So what happens is when they put their email in, they'll get taken to a page that explains these products. Now, again, what are the products you'll be selling when you get started? It's just education when it comes to digital marketing, how to market products digitally online. And what happens also is when they put their email into your website, they'll get added to that email autoresponder, that email list, and they'll start getting sent those emails, sending them back to the sales page, or we like to call the website to buy. And then over time, when that person decides to buy, you'll receive instant 100% profit. Now, a lot of people want to know, how are you able to make 100% profit? That's because on top of the $100, $300, $600, and $900 product levels inside of this business that you can earn, there's also a one-time $29 website fee. And that's how the product creator actually makes money. So they take the $29 and you keep the 100%, whichever level your prospect, whichever level your lead decides to buy. Again, there's 4 levels. And what happens is you'll actually connect your preferred payment method to your sales page, okay? And it could be Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Payoneer. And then all you have to do is withdraw that into a bank account. This is exactly how I was able to generate. Okay, so I actually used Stripe for this one personally, and then I used PayPal and got paid the $900. Okay, that's exactly what I did. I just sent people to my website, and the website did all the selling, telling, and following up for me through these follow-up emails. And then the person, 2 different people went and they bought the product. So now this is the sales page. Okay, this is what the sales page looks like. You'll get access to a page that looks exactly like this. The only difference is, I want to share with you right here. So you see my photos here and my name. That's because this website will actually brand you. Okay, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So we're going to brand you, and you want to actually do this. Okay, now you may be watching and maybe you don't want to show your face. You can actually do completely faceless brand, but if you're willing to show your face, it will actually help you connect better with your prospects, and you can include your photos here, and then your prospect will go down. They'll read over the information, and then they'll choose one of the levels that's best for their goals. Okay, now the $900 level is by far the most popular because you unlock all the levels under it, and you can actually earn $900 commissions. If you only join at the $100 level, you can only earn $100 commission. So you definitely want to stretch yourself. Now, in order to resell this as your own, if you want to do this small business with this small business idea, then you actually have to purchase, again, the products. Okay, you have to own the products to be able to resell. What you get access to is not only incredible training on how to post ads and create content, not only access that automated system, not only access the community of over 25,000 people, okay, of all these people right here. You can actually contact them, and they're, it's almost like a family. Not only do you get all of that, but you also get resell rights to resell these as your own. So all you have to do is go here, Okay, and again, keep in mind your prospects will go through the exact same process through you. But if you're watching this and you want to actually get started so you can resell this and leverage the same process that myself and all those people are using, then you want to go to the link directly below this video. You'll get taken again to a page that looks something like this. Ultimately, you'll get taken to a sales page, and then you want to actually get started yourself so you can turn around and resell this also. So you would just go here, fill out your contact information, credit, debit card. If you want to pay with PayPal, okay, I have PayPal attached, so you can go ahead and pay maybe even easier. And then you just agree to the terms and conditions and you buy now. And then on the very next page, it will charge you the $29. And then you'll get a welcome email where you can actually log into your training, access the community, okay, right here. And you can see at the time of recording, we actually have, wow, we actually have like 26,000 members, okay? So 291 people online. So you're always going to get help. And if you need any extra help, you can just write something here, ask a question, and someone will answer it very quickly. There we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning. Again, all the links will be directly below. If you have any other questions, the best way to reach me is put your email into my website and then just respond to one of those emails with your question, and I will be sure to answer it very soon. Thank you so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.